You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing words used in English that too many people get wrong. Stay tuned, loads to learn here on this channel. Impasse. Impasse. In French it's said as impasse, but in English, impasse. Stress on the first syllable, impasse. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. It helps me immensely. Thanks for this, and thanks for watching. I'll see you there. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.